Okay, so we are into section 3 of our functions list, and this section is all about working with strings. In section 2 we were mostly working with numbers, finding their sum, average, rounding them up or down. So now let us see what are things that we have for string, and we are going to work on another data set now. We have used the data set of restaurants too much. So let us move to data set 2. First thing first, I'll go to view and freeze one row. So we know what is the top row heading and it's always fixed. Let us start with the first function called lower. So if I write something over here like Google Sheets, and I write lower, and inside quotation I can write Google Sheet. So it has converted everything into lowercase. Instead of writing inside, I can also pass it as parameters. Over here I write lower of this cell. So it has converted everything into lowercase. Let us see an example on data set. So for example, I want to convert the category into all lowercase. So over here I can write cat lower, which is like lowercase of category, equal to lower of column C. Now you see it starts with a small c, and I then drag it down all the way. So everything in the category column is having now all small alphabets, no capital alphabets in the string. Exactly similar to lower is the upper. So if I write over here as cat upper equal to upper of this column. So you see everything has been converted into uppercase. I can if drag it down this function, all the category names are now converted into uppercase. Then we have len function. Len is to find the length of a string. In this case, I want to know over here len of what is your name. Now this prints 17. So the total number of characters in this sentence, one space is also considered as one character. Now if you see the example, it takes one text and returns the length of the string. In this data set we will write, so first column is a description. So let's say I want to know the length of description. So length of description, this heading you can write anything. So I'll write equal to len of this and drag it all the way down. So we got the length of description for every row. Left and right. Okay, so where is this? Equal to left of, it takes first string and then second is number of characters. So if I write hello man and number of characters 3, so this returns HEL, which is the leftmost 3 characters of this string. Now if I write equal to left of this comma 4, this has returned GOOG, which is the 4 character from the left. So make sure that you know that one white space is also considered as one character. So for example, if I made it as 7, it still gives Google, although for you it seems like Google is having only 6 characters, but this is returning Google plus space. Now you cannot see space because that is the last character in this result, but if we make 7 to 8, we can see Google space S. So now this is total 8 characters. Equal to right of this comma 4, this gives you EETS, which is the 4 characters from the right. So left gives you certain number of characters from left, right gives you certain number of characters from right. If we want to implement here, and you see this account number, everything except the last 4 digit is visible and rest they have marked by XXXX. So I want a separate column that have just these numbers. So what we can do is last 4 digit. So we say equal to right of this comma 4. So we have 3244, and we can drag it all the way down. This was your left and right. Substitute. Let us see what substitute does. Equal to substitute. It takes text to search. What should I search in that text? If I find, what should I replace this with? This you can ignore because it's optional as it is given in the square bracket. So for right now, we'll just ignore. If you want to know what that is, you can read it over the instant of search for within the text to search to replace. By default, all occurrence of search are replaced. So I'll tell you what it happens, what it means. So for example, let's say we have something called, let's get rid of these things. So we have something called Jupiter is a great planet. Jupiter is also big. Now I want to write equal to substitute. Text to search is this. Search for is Jupiter and replace with is Earth. Earth is great planet. Jupiter is also big. Now this has only replaced Jupiter and not this Jupiter, because if let us convert this to capital J, okay, because we had asked to search for Jupiter with capital J. So by default, it replaces everywhere where it finds the search string. That is what it means, that default is one. So you can just leave it and it will replace everything. So this is a very useful function and this is used a lot. So let's go back to our system and we want that instead of showing xx, I want this to be shown as just dash dash dash. So I want this to be like this, dash 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 3244. So what we can do, modified account, we say equal to substitute. Text to search is this. Search for is xxxx and replace this with dash 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 dash. Now this, all the x, in fact we don't need to do xx, we can simply write replace all the x with dash. So it found x at 4 places and replaced all of them. We simply drag this down and we have the account number in a new format. So this is what substitute does. Now let us see what mid is doing. If we come here and write equal to mid, it takes one string, then it takes what is the starting point of the string and what exact extract length that we are looking at. So let's say we take this as a string. Starting at is we want to start from grades. So EARTH5 space is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we want to extract 5 of them, 5 characters. So it took B4 as a string. Starting point is 12, which is G, and 5 characters means GREAT. So we got great as an output. So from any string starting at any point, you can extract certain characters using mid. I have not used it much, but maybe you do some kind of project where you need to use this. So you should know. REPT equal to REPT. Text to repeat, number of repetitions. So if I give it text as HA, comma, number of repetition is 4. So this is your ha 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 which you type when you find something very funny. So let us see if we can implement this somewhere over here. I don't see anywhere. So for just for practice, we say category repeated 3 times. So we can say REPT, although it makes no sense to repeat a category 3 times, just to see how it works. Where is a category? Category is this one, and then comma 3. So this was charity. Now this output is charity. If we drag this down, coffee, auto and gas. So any string you can repeat any number of times. Just let us see if it also works with numeric. So we say equal to rept, repeat this 4 times. Now you see it is also working for numbers. So this was 18, it has become 18181818. So we can also use repeat on numbers. This was rept. Split again is a very useful function. Let's stop this video over here. We have covered 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 of the functions of the string section or the text section. In the next video we will cover the rest of them.